Hello. We will study numbers today, numbers from 1 to 5, and also some basic introductions in Slovak. This is Slovak lesson number 3. Okay, so let's have a look at numbers first. Jeden, jeden. Dva, dva. Tri, tri. Štyri, štyri. Päť, päť. I think päť will be quite difficult for many people, especially the ch at the end. Päť, päť. Okay, let's go through numbers again. Jeden, dva, tri, štyri, päť. Okay, now maybe we can go backwards. Päť, štyri, tri, dva, jeden. Okay, an introduction. What's interesting about the introduction and actually about the language is that we have two levels, two tiers of formality. The first, what's your name? It's formal, and you should use it when you call the other person surname. Ako sa voláte? Ako sa voláte? This, what's your name, is informal, and it's used at schools when doing sports, and whenever we call each other's first names. Ako sa voláš? Ako sa voláš? Volám sa Tatiana. Volám sa Tatiana. Ja som Tatiana. Ja som Tatiana. Som Tatiana. Som Tatiana. Teší ma. Teší ma. Okay, we can go through the phrases again. First, what's your name, formal? Ako sa voláte? Ako sa voláte? What's your name, but informal one? Ako sa voláš? Ako sa voláš? My name is Tatiana. Volám sa Tatiana. Volám sa Tatiana. Ja som Tatiana. Ja som Tatiana. Som Tatiana. Som Tatiana. Here you can see that in English sentence, you well, not always, but you should have a subject. In a Slovak sentence, the sentence keeps the same meaning without having subject there in the sentence. So, ja som Tatiana means the same, exactly the same as som Tatiana. Of course, probably that's similar with English. The longer the sentence, the more formal. Teší ma. Teší ma. Okay, thank you.